Look at yourself, be honest right now. You are tired of your own excuses. You promised change yesterday. Again, morning came, nothing changed. You watch motivation like cheap entertainment. Hoping energy appears from nowhere. Listen carefully. Motivation is a lie. It dies the moment pain shows up. If discipline was easy, everyone would be successful already. You are not unlucky, you are undisciplined. This video will not comfort you. It will confront everything weak inside. If you want softness, leave now. If you want power, stay. Welcome back, this is Canal. Here we do not chase feelings, we build systems that work under pressure. Most men today live half asleep. They have potential, tools, opportunities, but no internal operating system. Western culture worships quick results. Money fast, body fast, success fast. When results delay, they quit. Your brain is designed for comfort. Not greatness, not mastery, not dominance. Comfort slowly destroys your future. Japan chose a different path forged by disaster, scarcity, discipline. They mastered suffering instead of avoiding it. Today you learn their mental weapons. Not theory, not inspiration. A system for real-life execution. 4 principles built unbreakable minds. Kaizen, Ganbaru, Shoshin, Ikigai. Apply them or stay average forever. You repeat the same mistake every time you try to change everything at once. Gym daily, perfect diet, new business. 3 days later, you collapse. Your brain detects massive effort, triggers survival mode instantly. Fear, procrastination, excuses appear. You call it laziness. It is biology. Kaizen means continuous small improvement. Change so small it feels stupid, so small your brain feels safe. 1 push-up only, 1 paragraph only, 1 minute of work only. Your ego will scream loudly. This is too easy, this is weak. That ego kept you stuck for years. Kaizen is not about results. It is about identity training. You become a man who starts. When you complete micro actions, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine rewires discipline circuits. You train, action equals reward, not action equals pain. This is how habits are built. Perfectionism is fear wearing intelligence. Waiting perfect conditions is cowardice, Kaizen says. Act badly today, dirty house. Wash 1 plate, big project. Write 1 sentence. Broken body, stretch 1 minute. Movement creates momentum. Momentum kills resistance. Resistance is your real enemy. 1% daily improvement. Compounds brutally over time. Average men cannot compete. If you refuse Kaizen, you choose stagnation willingly. Once movement begins, pain arrives. Discomfort, boredom, mental resistance. This is where most men quit. Ganbaru means endure without negotiation. Not try your best, endure fully. No complaints, no escape, no drama. Modern culture worships comfort. Calls weakness self-care. Calls quitting mental health. Your ancestors endured far worse: cold, hunger, danger daily. You quit because motivation disappeared. Pain is not a stop signal. Pain is a growth signal. Stay longer inside discomfort. Gym burns mean progress started. Work frustration means skill growing. Boredom means discipline forming. Cold showers train nervous system control. Extra repetitions train identity strength. Staying late trains dominance over self. You are building mental calluses. The world becomes less threatening. You become reliable under pressure. Reliable men attract opportunities. Unreliable men attract excuses. Stop negotiating with your feelings. Feelings are irrelevant to duty. The task exists. You execute. Endurance beats talent without endurance. Be the man who lasts longer. That is competitive advantage. Now we kill your ego. The most dangerous enemy? Shoshin means beginner mind. Experts stop learning. Beginners absorb everything. Guess who grows faster? If your life is not improving, your knowledge is failing you. Empty your cup immediately. Ego says, I already know. Reality says your results suck. Results never lie. Approach everything as new. Fitness, money, relationships, discipline. Curiosity replaces arrogance. Beginner mind asks better questions. Why this way? What if differently? Ego defends old mistakes. Cynicism is cowardice disguised. Mocking growth protects fragile identity. Shoshin requires brutal humility. Forget what you think you know, learn again from zero. Growth accelerates instantly. Experts fear mistakes. Beginners expect mistakes. Mistakes are tuition for mastery. Kill your ego daily. Curiosity keeps you dangerous. Technique without purpose collapses. Endurance without direction wastes energy. You need Ikigai. Ikigai is reason to suffer, reason to wake early, reason to endure discomfort. Western culture sells happiness. Japanese culture, values, usefulness, purpose beats pleasure every time. Men without purpose decay quickly. They escape into distractions. Pleasure numbs meaningless lives. Ikigai is built through action, not discovered through thinking. Move first, clarity follows. Look at your deepest pain. Poverty, weakness, loneliness, failure. Your purpose hides inside wounds. When purpose is clear, discipline becomes non-negotiable. You stop asking how you feel. Soldiers do not need motivation. They act because mission demands. That is Ikigai. Stop chasing happiness. Chase competence and usefulness. Happiness follows naturally. Define your cathedral, not just stacking bricks. Mission changes everything. You now have the system Kaizen to start moving, Ganbaru to endure pain, Shoshin to keep growing, Ikigai to give meaning. This knowledge is dangerous. If executed, it transforms. If ignored, it becomes regret. Do not close this video passive. Act now. Immediately. Choose one. Kaizen action today. Write it in comments. Make commitment. Public pressure builds discipline. Subscribe if you want truth, not comfort, not excuses. This channel for builders. Stand up now. No one is coming. Earn your future.